Hey, welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today you join me in front of a new model from our friends at Harris Pontoons. This is a 2026 Harris Sunliner 250 with the Sport package. That's going to come with this tower you see here with the integrated bimini. The new generation Sunliner from Harris is going to come with this external fencing, a really premium looking boat. Nice new interior features as well. This particular boat is a tritoon boat with the 325 package. We've also equipped it with the 250 horsepower V8 Verado out back, finished in the ceramic white with the matte black accent and the chestnut interior inside. This boat is a killer looking boat, awesome option for the whole crew. Get out on the lake in style. Let's climb aboard and check out the interior features of this all new Sunliner 250. Stepping inside here, this boat's got our favorite SLDH layout from Harris. This has got the chestnut interior and all new upholstery and furniture bases for the new Sunliner. We've got this new flip-up rear seat area here. You can stow that away when you're not using it and have all the functionality of your standard SLDH layout as well. You've got storage underneath back here, as well as a forward-facing backrest. Lay that front one flat and have a forward-facing lounge. Lots of cup holders throughout. This boat's also going to have wet sounds audio as standard with a controller back here. Coming inside under this watersports tower with the integrated bimini, again standard on the sport trim boat. We're going to have two captain's chairs finished in that chestnut color as well. They both swivel, slide, and recline. Over on the passenger side, you're going to have a console with a cup holder and a speaker there, just behind your extra wide boarding door here on the port side of the boat. Over at the helm, this is all new for the Sunliner, now standard on the Sport. It's going to be this raised helm platform. We've got the Wet Sounds main head unit, wireless phone charger for your driver, controls for your lights over there, as well as your RGBs, and Mercury's digital throttle and shift. Got a glove box down there as well. Your steering wheel is going to be on a tilt base, so you can customize that to your liking. And last but not least, a Simrad Go NSX series screen up at the very front of the boat. Another new feature here for the new Sunliner helm, integrated helm storage. It's an awesome, very welcome feature to have on this new Sunliner. Walking further forward, another new Sunliner exclusive. We've got this new entertainment center storage area here. Got flip down storage there, as well as dedicated drawer storage. You're also going to have a little cubby under here, really good place to put your shoes before you get out on the boat. Center ski locker as standard on the 325 package. For this boat, lots of room in there. You see we've got the cover and some other items in there at the moment. Great place to store all kinds of stuff, in addition to the storage underneath all of your front seats. You'll notice drains along the edges of these front seats here. Lots of storage space. As you walk forward on the Sunliner, another notable thing before we go all the way to the bow, you're going to have armrests as standard on both sides up here, as well as 3 cup holders on each side with USB and USB-C chargers. Last but not least, a couple other things I want to point out here at the very front of the boat. New for Sunliner, you're going to have storage here in your seat backs. We've got a trash can in this one at the moment. You're also going to have a new optional clear bow gate. Really nice for those low-speed maneuvers. Great if you have pets who want to look out on the water as well. We've got the table mounted right now. This stows away and can be put in a different spot when not in use. This is one of the first Sunliner Sports that we've had here at Lake Norman. We're excited for this new model. We expect them to sell very fast. Lots of boats in stock right now, several more on the way. Give us a call, check us out at MarineMax.com, or stop by today to learn more about the new Harris Sunliner Sport.